Haitian politician, Haitian politician stinky. Haitian politician stink. Haitian politician go to voodoo people and sell their soul to the devil. That's why they have no interest to make Haiti a developed country. Believe that. The Haitian politicians, they very stink. They nasty mean. Okay? They go to voodoo people and sell the soul to the devil. They take a stinky bad. The voodoo people gave them a stinky bad. So therefore they stink. There's nothing good from evil. Okay? There's nothing good from voodoo people. That's why the Asian politicians have no interest to develop Haiti. The Asian politicians turn Haiti to a shithole country because most Asian politicians very stinky, nasty, criminal, mob. Okay? You see all the plot they do to assassinate President Jovenel Moise because the fact is they sell their soul to the devil. What's good from evil? Nothing good. Destruction, hatred, jealousy, selfish, greed. Okay, criminal. That's why the devil produced Asian politicians are the disciple of the devil. Okay, they sell their soul to the devil. That's why you see Asian politicians are very nasty shithole. They stink. When President Donald Trump talk about it is a shithole country, he tell the truth. Okay? That means it's not the population that shithole, it's the politician in Haiti. They are the shithole for real. They are the nasty criminal mob, gang member. Okay? They are sell their soul to the devil. They destroy beautiful country Haiti. They destroy the beautiful country in Haiti because they stink. Okay? That's why they have no interest to have a current in Haiti. Haiti have no power line. Haiti has no water.